underscore
No,
Z underscore.
ZIA.
Okay, this is, and you have created PSO and manage. Okay, active data. Okay, great.
I have done the mistake over here that I have used the floating value in the quantity. That's the reason it is showing longer. So can I change that?
Hmm.
So how to change that, sir? Floating into the this.
Hmm?
Mistakenly the quantity
Yes, you
became the
should.
floating. So how can I change that in the info object?
You can change in the info object. You should. Hmm. Changes is very complicated. But where is product name? Product name.
Okay,
Where is product name?
product name I haven't taken, sir. I have taken the salesman ID, salesman ID, product ID, product quantity, sales profit, and currency unit.
But I said to you, product ID, name, price.
I have taken this one, the sales data, upper one.
Okay, so you choose from here. Okay, no problem. We can. Okay, we can use it.
So how to change that the name, sir? I mean the quantity value instead of floating.
Quantity value. See, editing is not a very much easy task. Edit key figure. Oh, why you choose a float? Always choose one. Actually, here is some records, na. So that's why you can't edit it. Here is some records. This is used in here. So that's why you can't edit.
Okay.
You can do one thing here. You can create one more quantity, or I will try one thing for you. I will delete, delete, yes, delete data. Erase the whole data, complete data from info provider, and yes, it removes all the data. And again, I will go to the key figure. No, you can't edit it right now. You can do one thing. You can create one more quantity.
Anything not possible in this.
It is called remodeling. That is another thing. Where you choose here? 0 unit.
So we will be also doing remodeling here, sir.
Hmm. Uh, See, suppose if you want to edit it, na, you should change it firstly. Change here. This is this is a problem. Quantity. You should use this quantity here. Now activate. Now transformation. Change the transformation. Change the transformation. Yes. Change transformation and quantity map with this quantity. Now it is fine. Now it is fine. We have changed the info object. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
We have changed info object and we should reactivate data transform process. Reactive. Activate it again and then execute it. After that, you can check manage content new data and all data come here and you can activate it. That's it. So now we will use this same info provider for Bex Query Designer.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, successfully activated. Refresh. It will come here. Yes. So now its name is Z3SO underscore vid. We will open Bex.
Sir, in this
First
we
of
don't
all,
have in this server we don't have D drive.
hmm,
We don't have the application server in this system, sir.
You need the drive D?
No. I mean, we don't have an application server.
Hmm?
Here we
No,
don't
it's
have.
another server.
No. In the last one also we don't have the application driver, application server, that is directory home, and in this also we don't have.
Hmm. It's another server. It depends upon the server installation.
Mhm.
If we
So
create
okay.
or not.
So actually, I was going through the video set today in the YouTube.
Hmm.
So when I saw that
Hmm.
they were loading, I was not able to understand much, but they were loading the flat file in the info queue with the help of process chain.
Hmm.
So I was just so he was saying over there that you need to go to your computer and then you have to save your file in the application server, and then from here you have to load.
Hmm.
So that is
Yes, suppose this is your info cube. This is your info cube. The name is ZICSIC. This is a process chain. You can create your process chain here. Start process variant, change, immediate, check and save. Save back. Okay. And if you want your there is a info provider. This is your info cube. You can drag and drop here. Data transform process. That's it. Okay. So these processes automatically will come here. This is type of data transfer process. This is data transfer process. You can map it, save it, activate it, schedule it. So now it is running. Now here process chain is working properly. This
mm,
color is working, busy.
mhm.
It's
So we don't
again
have to
green,
create the index.
done. Hmm?
We don't have to create the index. Last time we were creating something.
We have, yes, we have not created index. It is automatically created. If you want, you can select the create index. It is
What is the YouTube index, sir?
performance, enhance performance. Performance will be good. So this is a simple info cube via process chain.
No,
See,
no.
you can check it.
Uh-huh.
You can check it. Firstly, delete entire data, delete data, Now here process chain is working properly. Manage, check the data. It is blank. It is blank. Now run the process chain again. Run the process chain again.
Where to go? So to run.
Run means actually the shortcut key is F8.
So where we need to click or to run the process after deleting data.
See, click on process chain. Na?
Uh-huh.
Then you will get here. There is a one. Where is icon? There is a one icon that is a. Okay, we are in the log view. Log view of the process chain. Now we will get execute schedule F8. We are executing it and check the log. Now it is showing it has executed successfully. Now we will check the data. Yes, it comes. It means process chain runs successfully. Okay.
Mm-hmm. So when in this
So it is.
condition, sir, when the data is updated, then it will be updated in the input as well.
Hmm?
So it will,
Pardon?
so when the data will be updated in the server,
Hmm?
so it will automatically update in the info queue as well or not.
Yes. Update in the info cube.
Mm-hmm.
Info cube automatically. Okay, I will give you one another example. You can do one more thing. I will remove all data from info cube. And similarly, I will delete all data from 3SO. And we will load the data via process chain. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Go to the process chain. This is info queue process, and we want data store object process also. We are just dragging and dropping, executing data and activation, and just execute it. The process variant is
What is this
suppose
process
6.
variant, sir, exactly?
Process variant keeps the information about the process.
What name we have to give in this?
Can't be executed in display mode. Oh my god. The problem was it was in the uh, display mode. Now it is in modified mode. We should
How
run this process again.
how you change from display to modified, sir?
Hmm?
How you change
Here,
from
edit. Here is edit. No? This one.
okay? You just click.
This one is edit mode. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Control F9. See, right now, actually, you were asking about a process variant.
Mm-hmm.
Process variant means process variant keeps the information about the process. See how many processes are there in our process chain. How many
Two
processes?
two process generally
One,
start info
two
package
processes are
DTP.
there. Start is all start is also process. Four processes are there.
There in this case 4.
Yes, this process is a data transfer process for InfoCube.
Mm-hmm.
This process is data transfer process for 3SO.
Mm-hmm.
And this is the activation process of the 3SO.
Why you
See,
selected
these
the
are
activation
processes.
process?
Huh?
Why you have selected the activation process in DSO but not in the InfoCube?
Because we want key in the standard DSO when all data goes into the new data, na,
Mm-hmm.
then activation process will run automatically.
Okay.
It moves all data from new data to active data.
Mm-hmm.
And see, these are processes. See, you can see this process link with this.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
this process is linked with this. So these are additional informations. Which process links with which process? These additional information save in the process variant.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, what is process variant? Keeps the information about the process. Keeps the additional information about the process. Okay,
Yeah.
so now we have option. We can connect like that.
Okay.
We connect start with the DTP. We connect the start with the DTP. It means both data transfer process will run parallelly.
Mm-hmm.
Both data transfer process will run parallelly.
Mm-hmm.
Or I can do one thing also. I can connect like that. It is always ask three questions. Successful. Successful means the line is green. Means when this process executed successfully,
Mm-hmm.
after that this process will execute. If this process is not successfully executed,
Mm-hmm.
then it will never execute.
Okay.
So it is in sequential, not parallel.
Mm-hmm.
Sequence. You can do one more thing. You can just remove the link, create link again. It is asking error. The line is red. It
Mm-hmm.
means this process, when this process will fail, then this process will execute.
Okay. If
It is a
condition.
condition. And the next is always. Always means blue color. Either it will fail or it will successful, but this process will run always.
Mm-hmm.
So we have all the options in the process chain,
Mm-hmm.
but right now I am linking with this. It means we want both processes in parallel,
Mm-hmm.
parallel mode.
Mm-hmm.
So now we have removed all data of 3SO and InfoQ. Just save it, activate, and schedule it. Scheduling, click log. It is showing this and this is in execution process. Color is yellow. Yellow means execution. Refresh, refresh. Both are in execution. It is executed successfully, but it is in execution mode.
Mm-hmm.
It is successfully executed. Now it is executing.
Mm-hmm.
It color is yellow, means in process. It is in process.
Mm-hmm.
Activation will take time. You are understanding, na? Green means executed, and yellow means in process. This is in process. Refresh. The shortcut is F2. Now it is executed successfully. Now we can see manage. Here is one request and activated request. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
it means process chain is executed successfully. After that, info cube manage. Here is one request. So this is a process chain.
Okay.
In this
So,
process chain,
mm-hmm.
we include processes only.
Sorry.
In this process chain, we include process only processes. The
Okay.
data transform process, activate process, DTP process like
So
that.
in the real time, what happens is the requirement will be there. Like you have to create an info cube or something. Yes, sir. At the info cube or
Hmm.
DS or something. So once we created, so every day data will come. So what is the
Hmm.
process? So in the initial the client will give the requirement that I need to make I need to have a this report to be fetched. Then
Yes. Client requirement like client gives requirement like I want a one execute button only. One execute button. When I click on the execute button, then all info providers, all data should be filled in the info providers.
mm-hmm,
Client need only one button. So we are BI modeling persons, so we should know how many info providers will include in the process chain.
mm-hmm.
Fine,
So how
because
many
client is functional.
so how many
Client
machine?
can't say you ki we should run, we should want to load the data in cube, we should want to load the data into VSO. No, client is a functional. Client says ki when I need a one executable button, I need the one button, one link. When I click on it, then all data will be loaded automatically.
Mm-hmm.
That's it. So we should create process chains
Okay, so I'm
for
not
that.
getting that how the in the real time the work goes. So I know the how to create an info cube, how to create a DSO, and how to create info set. Yeah.
Yes, it will take some time. Slowly, you will know. You learn continuously. You are going on the right way. You learn, and slowly, you will know what is the client side requirement, what client wants, how to think, how to think, how to decide which info provider we should, when we should create info provider, when we should create process chain, what is client requirement. It will take some time. Slowly you will know. But right now, I explained you what is process chain. What is the
Okay.
advantage of process chain? What is the purpose of process chain? The major advantage is you can provide, you can create a process chain, add all processes in one process chain. Client just execute the process chain, and all data will be loaded automatically.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So, in conclusion, we can say in conclusion, we can say what is process chain? Batch of processes, flow chart of processes, set of processes, set of processes arranged in desired manner.
Mm-hmm.
So basically, it is a process chain.
Okay. In general,
That's
people
it.
are saying that okay, in general, once we create the info cube or something, and we'll create a process, and so every morning, whenever we want to place the data, we just click. the processing will automatically start in data will fetch, and then we can work on the reporting part, isn't it? In the office
Yes,
time, in the real time, I just heard like that.
it is a start process, na?
Mm-hmm.
Start process, you can change the scheduling of process chain.
Mm-hmm.
First of all, edit. This is edit. We can change the scheduling of the process chain. You want periodic period value. You want a process chain daily.
Mm-hmm.
Process chain daily. Okay, daily
Mm-hmm.
and particular date and time at mode. These are all schedulings. These are all schedulings you can set here. So this is actually process chain. You should try at home. Now can we give
So last question, sir.
oh,
So in the
time
process
is
chain,
very
so
fast. Yes.
yeah, what my question is that when I want to load the data with via processing, then why the step? Do I need to I need to create info area, sorry, info object catalog, then object, and then the same process.
Hmm.
Then I need to create a info provider, that is DSO or info queue or info
Hmm.
set.
Hmm.
Then after that, after creating that, I need to move the data to that characteristic and the key figure to that. If I'm taking the info cube, and then I'll go to data source where I'll load the data.
Hmm.
I have to
Yes. Yes.
load the data manually, or I need to as I talk with you, application server.
Hmm.
Do I need
Yes.
to
Pardon.
do I need to load the data in data source manually directly from the desktop, or I need to save the data in the application server?
In the normal cases, we load data from application server.
Okay, what is the reason, sir? I was not getting that point.
Actually, 90% data comes from operational data.
Uh-huh.
Operations like sale operation, finance operation, HR operation, SD operation. So, uh, all data save in the application server, na? And on the application server, there is a RDBMS.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Then we load the data from there.
Mm-hmm. So in this
In
system,
SAP,
we
we
don't have application
get
server.
and from the flat file, uh, it is not very usual.
Mm-hmm.
10% data from flat file,
Mm-hmm.
90% data from application server from RDBMS.
Okay. So in this
Hmm.
our server, we don't have the application server. Am I right, sir?
Hmm?
In this server, we don't have the application server here. In this link which we are using today.
Here is both. Both. Application means ECC server and BI server. Both are there.
No, no, no. So my question is that if I create any data, yeah, manually, but I need to save in the application server, how can I save in the this server which you have provided today?
See, when you create the data manually or you want to save on the actually application server is OLTP. That is
Yeah.
not our part.
Uh-huh.
We should know operational system.
Okay. So in short, I want to say that how can I load the data then? Because I can because without application server, I can't load the data. If I load the data directly from flat file, which is my desktop, then it will be something like loading
Hmm.
the data manually, isn't it, sir?
Hmm. Hmm, hmm.
It is something like loading data manually. So what is the use of process chain?
No,
As
no.
no. But my concern is that, sir, just now you explained me about the process in which you said that you can create the all the info cube and everything, and after that, at the
Hmm.
end, you can start the process uh, like that you said, yeah.
Hmm.
So if I don't want to run that as a last, I just want to load that directly from the process then how?
See, when you run the process chain, then the fresh data will load automatically
Okay.
because all data generates continuously. Na?
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes updation of data, sometimes new data will create. When
Mm-hmm.
we run the process chain, then it loads the fresh data.
Okay.
Hmm.
So in
Right.
so when I'll practice, sir, what are the steps I need to follow for the process chain?
See, no main steps. Firstly, you should create info providers.
Okay.
Firstly, you should create info providers, and after that, you can create process chain. You should create process chain at the last.
Mm-hmm. So in the info provider, I need to because I don't have the application server over here.
You should
So for
create process
practicing,
chain at the last.
so
You
for
can
practice,
follow. First of all, create info objects.
okay, fine.
Create
Hello, 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 hello. Hello. Yes, sir. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Hello.
Yes, Vikram.
Yeah.
So I was explaining you these are the 6 steps of modeling. After that, you can create processing.
Okay. Means the way I'm creating the info cube, sorry, info provider, the same way I'll be creating it. And at the end, I will be just follow the processing. That's all.
Yes. Fine. Okay. Yes. You
Or
can
do I need to
choose.
read the data as well?
Yes. क्यूब बन रहा है ना उसको
Okay.
मैं प्रोसेसिंग बना वीडियो में
Fine.
भी देखा hello yes
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
and so now can we proceed further for backs
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sure.
or we should continue in evening.
Your wish, because
Okay, I will in this class
we can
I am explaining two backs here.
we can continue the batch,
uh,
and then in the evening we can the pending part we can complete it, so that the next class we can use some other
okay,
topics.
okay, fine Vikram, in the evening we will do backs. Fine, right.
So can we discuss the master because we are just lagging with the masters, the key figure master data.
Yes, master data, yes.
Can we discuss about the master data today, so that
Master data,
attributes, I mean attribute, text, and other, and so that we will
master data
discuss.
लोडिंग तीन होता है ना मास्टर होता है मास्टर और जो एट्रीब्यूट सब इनपुट होता है एट्रीब्यूट और एक टेक्स्ट होता है ट्रांजैक्शन टेक्स्ट एट्रीब्यूट
Hello.
data attribute I am explaining you Vikram
Hmm.
master data attribute all data is normally normally all data is all master data have attributes master data text uh, text or description of master data attributes. I'm giving you one example here. I'm giving you one example here. Suppose I have a employee ID. Suppose I have a product ID, product name, product price. Similarly, product ID, product name, product A, product B, product C, product D. Like that. I saved it. It is, we can say, it is a product attribute. CSV. This is a product
Hmm.
attribute.
Hello. Hello.
There is a product ID, prescription, and language. This is product ID. Prescription will be anything. Language will be, suppose, English. And now we will load this data into the info objects. Okay, understand? Attribute, and this is attribute, this is text. Now create info area. I am explaining you. I'm explaining you from the very beginning. Info object catalogs. अभी आया ना बहुत लेट कर देता यार मैं तो वेरी मच दैट उसको कैसे कॉल करके कहा है इसे 10:30 बजे निकल हेलो
Yes, sir.
in the characteristics we can create we can create info object product id numeric 10. This is the info area. Hello.
Yes, sir.
We will create one more info object for product name. Key figure. Now we can do one thing. Now we can do one thing here. We should open product ID again in change mode. Add attributes here. Add attributes. Product ID. Product name. And product price. This
Mhm.
is product ID. No need of product ID.
Product name, product description.
Yes. And just activate it. And go to the info provider. Under the info provider, so go to the info provider, choose your info area. Where is your info area? My info area name was, okay, I will find the info area name by name. This is my info area. Find, refresh entire tree. This is your info area. Here, this is product ID. Under the product ID, it is attribute. Now
Mhm.
you can load attributes here.
Okay, again it is showing sir product ID, attribute, product ID, text.
Hmm? Yes.
The-
Next is for second file. We
mhm.
should create data sources for attribute and text.
Different.
In the file, what was the file system? Which file system we should use? Which file system we should use? Okay. Okay, we should create here application component, that is product. Under the application component, we can create data source, data source for product attribute, that is master data attribute. Now extraction master data attribute means product attribute, length, format, proposal, all steps are same. What is it? What is it? What is it? I have saved this file in CSV format, no?
Mm-hmm.
I saved this file. Oh, actually, it is not saved in the CSV format. We should save it from here. Save as. Choose here CSV. This
Delimit or CSV
save.
DOS?
Anyone. MS DOS is good.
Mm-hmm.
DOS is good. Now we will create. We will delete it. Similarly, we should save it again. Save as CSV text. Now we will specify the file again. Product attribute, proposal. Now it is fine, but the separator is comma. Separator is comma, not semicolon. Separator is comma. Yes, fields and all is fine. This is alpha. Activate it. This is master data attribute.
Mm-hmm.
Now we will check. Now we will create IP. Now we will start it. Similarly, we can create one more data source for text. One more data source for uh, text only.
Why different, sir?
Because files are separate. No? Master
Mm-hmm.
data file is different and text file is different.
Mm-hmm.
This, this, this extraction master data text. Here is text. proposal, proposal fields, and preview. We should run IP here. Now we will go to info provider. This is attribute and text. We will load separately. Separately loading of attribute, separately load text. First of all, attribute, create transformation, data source, data source name, this is transformation, product ID, product name, price, and just activate it. Similarly, we will create data transfer process. Data transform process, we will just execute it. So it will load all the data. It loads all the data. Now, similarly, product ID, text, create transformation. So, see, description is here, language is here. Now, just activate it. Good morning, Vivanshu, very late. So these are attributes and text. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
you should try. You should try it, and we will continue in evening because I am too late in my office.
Okay, fine.
Too much time. Today actually my office starts at 8:30, na?
Yeah, yeah, you told me. No issues, sir. Thank you.
Fine. Okay, bye, Vikram. Bye.
Okay, bye. We'll continue.